Some days it feels like the world is spinning a little too fast. Emails, deadlines, endless to-do lists. Your mind's racing and your body's not far behind. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, drained, or like you're just barely holding it together, you're not alone. I've been there too. That's why I started leaning into simple, natural remedies that help me feel grounded again. If you're craving balance in a busy world, hit like and subscribe. Let's breathe together. First on my list is Ashwagandha, an ancient herb known as an adaptogen, which helps the body adapt to stress. I take it in capsule form or mix the powdered version into warm almond milk with a pinch of cinnamon. Within a few days, I notice less brain fog, fewer emotional highs and lows, and better sleep. It's like a soft reset button for my nervous system. Magnesium is a mineral most of us are quietly deficient in, and it plays a major role in our stress response. I make it part of my self-care by soaking in a warm Epsom salt bath 2 to 3 times a week. I add a few drops of lavender oil, light a candle, and let the warmth melt the tension from my muscles. After 20 minutes, I feel lighter, physically and mentally. When stress lingers into the evening, I reach for chamomile tea, a natural sedative that calms the nervous system. While sipping, I practice a simple breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6. It slows down my heart rate and helps me disconnect from the digital world. It's become my gentle transition from chaos to calm. Every morning, I take a moment to step outside, barefoot on the grass if I can, and let the morning sun touch my skin. It's called grounding, and it's been shown to reduce inflammation and regulate cortisol levels. That first dose of sunlight resets my body clock, boosts serotonin, and instantly lifts my mood. It costs nothing and gives so much. My final go-to is aromatherapy, specifically lavender and frankincense. These oils calm the mind and create a peaceful environment. I diffuse them during the evening while journaling or when I just want my space to feel like a sanctuary. It's amazing how scent alone can shift your mood. Stress doesn't disappear overnight, but these rituals help me reclaim peace day by day. If any of these remedies speak to you, try them out and see how you feel. And if you're ready to create space for calm in your life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips right here on Nature Fit.